Let's see how to set up a TP-Link router. Connect the power line. Then connect your router to your ONU. Now go to mobile. Now connect your mobile to your TP-Link router network. This is your router's Wi-Fi name and password. Now go to any browser. Then type tplinkwifi.net. Now you need to create a password for your router control panel. Select your network type. I have PPPoE, a type of network. Now you need to enter the username and password which is provided by the internet service provider. Now you can change your Wi-Fi router password and Wi-Fi name. Now I'm changing my router's Wi-Fi name. And I changed my router's Wi-Fi password. Now your router setup is complete. Then you need to connect again with new Wi-Fi name with password.